We know that probability of x equal 0, probability of plus probability of x equal 1 plus probability of x equal 2 and so on, probability of x equal n equal 1 means it is the probability of no success. X equal 1 means probability of exactly one success. And so on. It is the probability of exactly n success. Probability of x equal no success means x equal 0 is given by nc 0 p to the power 0 q to the power n. One success is given by nc 1 p to the power 1 q to the power n minus 1. Two success means nc 2 probability of p to the power 2 q to the power n minus 2. Exactly n success means nc n p to the power n q to the power 0 equal 0 1 means if we have to find exactly one success means exactly if the question is given find exactly four success, then we have to find exactly one success is this term. Exactly four success means nc4 p to the power 4 q to the power n minus 4. It is the value of exactly 4 success means if we have to find at least three success, at least sign of at least is at least three success means x equal 3 or greater than 3. It is the sign for at least three success means x equal 3 or greater than 3 means 3 success या फिर उससे ज़्यादा. Then we can find the value of x equal is greater than equal 3 by x equal 3, x equal 4 and so on, x equal 9. We can also find the value of this term x equal 3, x equal 4, x is equal 9 means it starts from here. Then we can find the value of this term by subtracting these value from 1 means we can write probability of x greater than or equal to 3 is equal 1 minus probability of x is less than 3. We have a formula probability of x is greater than or equal to r is equal 1 minus probability of x is less than r, and when the question says find at least r success we apply this formula. Find at most three success, at most or not more than not more than 3 success. At most 3 success means we have x is, the value of x is written up to x equal 3, means no success, 1 success, 2 success and 3 success. It is the value of at most 3 success, means at most 3 success is given by the value of x is less than or equal to 3. At most 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 but not more than 3 is given by x equal 0, x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3. Now our formula for this term, we can also write this formula. X is less than or equal to 3 is given by 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 3. Greater than 3 means we have a formula x is less than or equal to r is 1 minus x is greater than r. When number of trials is very large, then we apply this formula for getting at least 5 success, at least 2 success, at least 3 success. We apply this formula.